We'll be back in 5 minutes.
Why are you looking in the corner of the refrigerator, Buster?
You need something to do.
You need help.
We'll pull you a free dog treat. Here, every dog treat. Come on. You want a dog treat? How about a dog umbrella? Do you like dog trash?
How about a dog dart?
Yeah. How about an open refrigerator? Would you like a refrigerator? Hostess, we'll be back in 5 minutes. Show. We'll be back.
That's bad.
Look at Buster.
Welcome back to the Alex and Buster Show. So, who's our new host? Vernon Haley! So, how are you doing, dog? Got nothing to say? Hello? You got nothing to say? Who would do this? Was it you? Or was it you? Or was it you?
Ask him what he's looking for behind the refrigerator.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I wonder what he is looking for. Are you looking for peanuts? What have we been looking for? I'm looking for chocolate. Maybe he is looking for a rocket ship. Is that the answer? It is! We'll be back in 5 minutes!
Oh, man.
Wait. Now stop.
There he goes again. Back to the other side of the refrigerator.
What in the world?
What do you got for me,
There's
buddy?
nothing back there.
Hey, dog. Do you got anything back there for me? Or do you? We'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Here we are. So, hostess, what do you think that Buzz is doing? He looking for Chinese food? Or is he looking for hot sauce? What do you think? Or do you think he's looking for avalanche? We'll be back. Our next show will be...
Buster!
What do
What
you
in the world, Vern? I'm totally lost. Like, why
Okay, Mom.
doing that?
Okay, wait, Mom.
I put my hand on the wall and